sa doctor din, we are number 3. Tapos doon tayo nagbabayad. Medyo malaki din dito. Diba? Tapos doon naman yung ano, Starbucks banda. Auntie Anne's. Madami dito guys. Maaga pa kasi kaya medyo konti lang yung tao. Dito tayo. Waiting for 20 minutes. Thank you. Ito yung first serve. Okay, salamat. Yan, water, mushroom soup. Thank you. Thank you so much. Boss. Yum, yum, yum.
Sarap, soup.
Very good. Ayan guys. Yum, yum, yum. Dito tayo sa Paris Spaghetti. Chicken wings. Half rice lang siya because of his diabetes. Mine, 1.5. I eat what's this in his plate.
Вечером has a problem, the color tell.
Agad din yung lola. Early in the morning, galing check up. Heart doctor. It's hard, the karotan. It's not correct. Bon appetit. Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Chicken wings. 1.5 rice. Half rice lang yung sa kanya because of his diabetes. Dito tayo sa bagat. Galing sa doctor. Hindi na tayo magluto. Wave, sutsa mo na mo. Wave. Salud, diba? Waiting for potato corner, the smallest size, just to satisfy the cravings. Cheating day after doctor. Cheating, right? He's busy, cheating.
The picture that everybody knows that I'm
I'm full. He's busy too. While waiting for the fries.
take your back then.
Funny. Muna mo portal sa kulapo. Muna mo. Cheating day muna mo. Long time ago with the fries.
Tomorrow, doctor's order. My own order.
That's why it's the smallest one. Cheating day today. After check-up, minsan lang naman. pagbigyan ng inyong lingkod at ang aking hobby. Salud! Dadah! I'm home now. Slowly, may mo na mo. Porque zukula po mo machuchu. Tralala. Very hot today.